All right, Power Trigger Trade, Sandro here on Stock Twits. Um, Check out this GM trade. This did 100%. We're going to be talking about a new idea. I like WFC. So let's take a look at the plan, people. All right, so here's the chart of WFC. Let's look at the option idea I have, and I'm going to talk about why we're going to trade, why I like these options, and for people who don't understand options, and we're going to talk. It's going to be great. This video here. This could be a nice good 100% plus gain winner as well. When this confirms. So WFC is a great setup for higher prices. Targets are 58 to 60. The January 20th 55 calls are good to use. So right now what we want is WFC needs to break above 54.70 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 2 million on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is less than that, then watch this base above 54.70 and look for power towards 54.80 to 54.90. Okay. What I don't want this to do is, for example, if they happen to gap it up, you want to wait at least 10 minutes, see if they pull back, and then want to flush it forward. But this stock here, it's one of these things that they want to relax it, but they could. It's at the point where if they want to follow through and they follow through properly, this is going to keep going. Should keep going. Look at if you look at this point, this price area over here, WFC moved about 9 points, right? It's about 8 points from here to here in what matter of 1, 2, 3, 4 days, right? So for it to do a move in a week or two to one of these targets, it's not unlikely. It could take a lot less, but it's not an unlikely thing. The banks are strong, and WFC really trades great. I want to show you something, people. So let's take a look at the on the Yahoo for the options for WFC. Okay, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance WFC. Let's take a look at the option prices, people. Again, the reason why I'm even doing this is twofold. By looking at the options, we are looking at what's happened, what's the price of the options. And it's also, we can look back, just like the GM trade. Now check out my GM trade, people, as I'm going to be posting that up. It's a great example. That did over 100% in about 3 days. I have a follower that made 66K in it, but that's another story. You heard that right, 66K. But he's a high roller. That's the kind of people I attract, by the way. But anyways, let's take a look at the 55. Now look at this. We've got a lot of open interest here. There's a lot of options trading, 58,000. Look at the spread, 2-cent spread. So, Goldman Sachs is very strong. Goldman Sachs looks like it wants higher too. All the foolish people who wanted to short the banks just don't understand about momentum and breakout stocks. They stink. Okay, and any guy that you followed, if they told you they were looking to short Goldman Sachs through that whole run, they don't know how to make money in the market. They know how to catch baby moves. Power Trigger Trade knows how to catch the big money, people. Keep following my stream. Anyways, here it is. Yahoo Finance, 55, the 55 calls, the 55 January 20 calls are trading at now 1.53 to 1.5, so about $155. Okay, when this triggers, we're looking at probably about 160, 165, and so if this hits, close to, let's say 380 or something, 360, 370, then you would double. This could go a lot more. This could do 150 to 200% gains, I think, if all goes well. But at least one of those targets we have a good chance of hitting. It's a very strong pattern, a very good time frame alignment, and these are great options to look at. The January 20th 55 calls, trading really well, and there's a lot of momentum behind the stock. Let's go back to the charts, people. So here are the charts, WFC. Don't forget, people, give me 1 second here. Here we are at Power Target Trades. Don't forget to like the video, make comments. Make comments on the GM trade, people, the ones who've made money. Make comments. Don't be fried. Don't be shy, people. Let people share your happiness. Now a lot of times things win. I mean, be honest with you, Cat. This did not work out well. Temporarily, I did exit for a small loss. We'll look to get back in if I see the right action. But it's going to happen. Like some stocks just don't want to materialize. But most of the if you take a look at my new GM video, you're going to see some. You want to check that out. Now, you're going to see my symbol. You're going to see it flash around. I think it's going to come around here, and that is an easy way to hit the subscribe by hitting my symbol. Not this one here, but or of manually, if you happen to not be able to subscribe, just hit the like manually go to the website, hit the subscribe button. But there is going to be like hitting my symbol, the one that's over in this area here. I'm going to place it over here. If I do this correctly, you hit that and you'll automatically subscribe. You can also check to make sure you're subscribed. Subscribe. A lot of great things I'm doing. It's not just about making money, people. Okay, there's one unique thing that I'm doing that a lot of people are not doing, and you can look at it right over here. And I'm gonna make some videos. I want my followers to make money, but you got to think about your health too. Power Trigger Trade, I do these two. That's the two things I'm good at, and I'm going to be sharing a lot of great information. That's more even on a serious note and some fun stuff. But people, follow this channel for not just making money, but you got to keep at this channel. And at the same time, go to Power Trigger Trade, subscribe to become a follower of Power Trigger Trade, either on StockTwits or on Twitter, because sometimes I make small, quick updates that I can't do via video. So if you're a YouTube subscriber, subscribe to the YouTube channel, but also become a follower of Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits and Power Trigger Trade on Twitter, and that's where you can do that. All right, people, thanks for listening. Like the video.